Welcome to an exhilarating chance presented by iDrop News. We're not merely conducting a giveaway. We're offering an invitation to dive into the latest in gaming technology and community enthusiasm. At the center of this thrilling event, the opportunity to win a PlayStation 5, the pinnacle of gaming performance and design. At iDrop News, we pride ourselves on delivering tech news, insightful reviews, and the most captivating giveaways. Our aim is to forge connections, engage deeply, and reward our tech-enthusiastic community. By giving away the PlayStation 5, we're inviting you to experience the zenith of gaming. The PlayStation 5 is not just a gaming console, it's a leap into the future of gaming. With its cutting-edge processing power, you'll enjoy lightning-fast loading times and a level of performance never seen before. The compatibility with an extensive library of games ensures that your favorite titles and future classics are all playable in stunning fidelity. Click on the link in the description or go to idropnews.com where you can find the giveaway section. Once you're in the giveaway section, find the giveaway you want to enter. Scroll down to the giveaway widget towards the bottom of the post and sign up for the famous iDrop newsletter. You can increase your chances of winning if you follow the rest of the actions mentioned in the giveaway widget. You can also come back daily to get your extra entries. Entering our giveaway is straightforward and thrilling. Just a few simple steps, a flutter of excitement, and the PlayStation 5 could be yours. Whether you've been part of the iDrop News family for years or are just discovering us, this giveaway is our way of welcoming you into a world where cutting-edge technology meets immersive entertainment. This opportunity is open to those aged 18 and above, residing in the US, Canada, UK, Australia, or New Zealand. Be sure to understand our terms and conditions for the full details of the giveaway. Imagine the moment when you're announced as the winner of the PlayStation 5. The surge of excitement, the anticipation of exploring an expansive gaming universe, and the pride of being the victor, it all starts with your decision to enter. At iDrop News, our giveaways do more than just hand out amazing prizes. They celebrate the powerful connection we share with our community, a community passionate about the latest in technology, eager to explore new gaming horizons, and always ready for adventure. By entering this giveaway, you're not just vying for a console. You're joining a community that cherishes the thrill of gaming. So, what's holding you back? This is your moment to join an exciting adventure. Your chance to win a PlayStation 5 is just a few clicks away. Dive into the iDrop News experience, enter the giveaway, and let the excitement begin. Good luck, and we eagerly await the opportunity to celebrate you as our next big winner.